In this video, I'm going to show you on how to send voice message on Discord on your computer. To start, launch the Discord app on your device. Next, find the user or the person that you want to send a voice message. When you're inside the conversation of that user, then simply click the plus sign icon beside the message bar. Note that you need to record first your voice message and save it as audio file on your computer. Next, click the upload button. Then find the audio file that you have. Then select it. Next, click the send button to send it. And that's how simple you can send an audio file on your Discord app using your computer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.